I'm Annette Richmond. Thanks for joining me today. If you're listening to this, chances are you've used ChatGPT, Claude, or some other AI tool to write content. And let's be real, I love AI. I use ChatGPT every single day. It's an incredible time saver. It helps me brainstorm, draft outlines, format content, and so much more. But here's the thing, AI is only as good as the human using it. If you let ChatGPT run wild, you get big blocks of generic text that sounds like every other AI written post. Your audience will feel it and they scroll right by. So today I'm giving you some practical ways to take those AI drafts and turn them into content that actually sounds not only like a human, it sounds like you. One trick that I use all the time is uploading examples of my work. To get started yourself, start feeding ChatGPT a LinkedIn post or an article that you've written in your voice and tell it to write the new piece in this same style. For example, if I'm having ChatGPT create a carousel from a transcript of a podcast or a video, I upload one of my previously created carousel posts along with my prompt. And the result mostly sounds like me for a couple of reasons. Number one, the transcript is from my podcast, so it's my content. Number two, I've uploaded an example, so ChatGPT knows my style and formatting for the carousel. The bottom line is the more you show it how you speak, the better it gets. When going through your AI-created content, start by breaking up long sentences. AI loves long run-on sentences, but your readers don't. So break them up. Mix up your sentence lengths, short, medium, and long. It makes your writing feel conversational and easy to read. Prompt that I use includes the line, 2 to 3 line paragraphs, no long compound sentences. And that helps it understand what I'm looking for. And once you're done, always read the content out loud. If you trip over it, your audience will as well. Next, write content you share with AI like a human, not a thesaurus. Write like you talk to a client or a colleague, not like you're drafting a college thesis. Skip the jargon. Even if your target audience gets it, you don't know who's reading, listening, or watching. Avoid cliches like at the end of the day, or think outside the box. And if you catch yourself repeating the same word 3 times in a paragraph, it's time to switch it up. Monotony is one of AI's biggest giveaways. Always remember that your voice is the difference. My philosophy always is to write like you speak. AI loves stiff, formal phrasing. Now, you wouldn't say, utilize the new coffee maker in order to brew coffee for guests. You'd say, I made some coffee. So write like that. Keep it clear, keep it human, and proofread like a pro. This is where you beat AI every time. I want to share a few tips from my days as a magazine writer. Read longer content multiple times, once for spelling, once for punctuation, and once for flow. Read it backwards. Seriously, that's how you pick up words like your, Y-O-U-R, that should be your, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. And take a break before you proofread. If you can, have someone else read it as well. We as humans tend to read what we think we wrote. And double check the little things like numbers, fonts, spacing. Those little details are the difference between professional writing and sloppy. So here's your AI writing cheat sheet. Love AI, but guide it. Upload your own examples so it learns your voice. Break up long sentences and mix up your sentence length. Read content out loud. Avoid cliches, jargon, and monotony. Write how you speak and proofread like a hawk. And the very best writing tip I ever got from a favorite professor is don't use a quarter word when a nickel word will do. So remember, AI is an amazing tool, but it's just a tool. It's up to you to use it to your best advantage. Your audience is human. They want to hear you as a human. So by all means, keep using ChatGPT. As I said, I do every day. Just make sure you're adding your voice and your personality. Thanks for joining me today. Keep your content clear, human, and scroll stopping.